wanna go down to Camp Parsnip, where the sun shines bright and the people are hip. Laughter and friends feel that summer breeze. Come catch the rhythm, let's feel at ease. Pack up your bags, it's that time of year. Adventure awaits, no time for fear. Under the pine trees we're jumping high, sipping on iced tea. Oh my, oh my, oh, I wanna go down to Camp Parsnip, where the sun shines bright and the people are hip. Laughter and friends feel that summer breeze. Come catch the rhythm, let's feel at ease. So pack up your heart and leave all your stress.
All right, I'm over here at the church. We're getting ready to do some work for Vacation Bible School. But I wanted to show you, remember we were talking about the t-shirt for Camp Parsnip? And this is one of them. You said it like that. It's hard to see. We talked about the color. Remember, what color should we use? Well, I think maybe I picked the wrong color. My wife was probably right. Probably should have been black. But anyhow, so we're going to give this shirt away. This is a Join the Journey, Camp Parsnip. And so we're going to give this t-shirt away. I'll let you know in another video how you can get this t-shirt. We'll get the size that you want. We will mail it to you. And probably have a shirt that's a darker color to be a little bit easier to see. So anyhow, so there it is, Camp Parsnip. We'll let you know when we figure out how it is that you can get this t-shirt. All right, thank you. All right, here I am in town, and I've come over to the post office. I'll kind of pan around here just a little bit, and you can see this little post office here in town. Before I leave, I'll go through and show you some of the video, but I've got some letters that I need to mail. And so my plan is to get these in here. With one hand, not going to happen. All right, I got them in there. Couldn't do it with one hand. So, but got them in there, and those are some letters for the church, some cards I needed to get mailed out. So I'm on my way up to the church. I got to get some work done up there. But I'll kind of pan around from here so that you can see this little town.
It's a beautiful sunny day. The rain is now gone. The water flows gently through Camp Parsnip.
What are you doing, Natasha?
To the bridge where the water flows.
Are you having a good time?
Yeah.
Good.
My shoes.
Do you like the water?
The mud I will go. Oh, I love the feel of the mud.
Oh,
as it swishes through
oh,
my
it's all
toes.
over you now, isn't it?
I love the feel of
Is it
the
like
mud
quicksand?
as I sink to my tummy.
Yep,
Love to
quicksand.
play in the mud at Camp Parsnip. Mommy, take me out to the mud. In my body will I dip.
Look at you, girl. Oh my word.
Beautiful sunny day.
You're a mess.
The rain is now gone. The water
You having fun?
flows gently.
All right, well, don't get me all muddy because I got to wear these clothes
I
again.
can't wait to get to the bridge where the water flows through.
Are you still playing or are you done?
Off my shoes and into the mud I will go. Oh,
You still gonna play some more in the water? All right, you go ahead. You're allowed.
I love the feel of the mud as I sink to my tummy. I love to play in the mud
Mm-hmm.
at Camp Parsnip.
Is the water cold or is it warm?
Take me out to the mud. In my body will I dip.
Is it cold or warm?
Will I dip?
Is it cold? It's warm. Okay, I'm gonna, are you okay right there? I gotta check on Daddy. You got to be careful.
My daddy.
He's working.
My daddy.
Yeah, it is.
Just be careful with my
All right.
Wait for her to fall flutter.
She almost did a couple times. She caught herself though.
Are you having fun?
Boing! There you go. You're crazy.
Is that fun?
Let me do it again.
Do it again. You're a mess, girl. Be careful of that stick that it don't poke you.
Let me do it again.
Do it again. You're like right in the middle of the quicksand. You got it right between your toes, don't you?
Hear that noise?
Yeah, that was Miss Mel. She's on her way home from work. She probably didn't see you out there. Did you just realize you're being videoed?
Listen.
Yeah.
This is on for me.
I have a video of you.
Where's it at?
It's on my camera. This is my camera.
Oh.
Oh.
Let me bring it. That's there.
Well, so I can take a picture of you.
See, walking in the bog.
Yeah, walking in the bog. Yeah, for sure.
In the pond.
In the pond. That's not much of a pond. I think it's more like a stream.
It's not cheap.
Yeah, it's a stream.
It's a lot of water.
It's a lot of water, isn't it? Are you okay?
Okay.
All right. It's not quite deep enough for you to sit on the bridge and dangle your feet in the water, is it? You just play all you want to play in there.
Turn another picture on.
I have a picture going right now.
This is on the wall.
You sit on the rock?
Well, I like to jump in it.
Jump in it? You can jump in it.
Get my ball.
Can we throw you your ball?
Yeah.
Well, there it goes. I didn't throw it very good, did I?
I'll put it to you.
Yeah. No, don't throw it to me. You play with it. It's all muddy now. I got my good clothes on.
It's not.
Yeah, it is.
It's not.
You just play with it. I'm sorry. We don't have running water out here. We want to get a system out here. Eventually there will be running water in the shed.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm not.
Okay, I'm going to go see what Daddy's doing, all right? You have fun.
Okay.
Okay, sweetie, I love you.
I love you.
She's awesome. All right, so Andrew, you're on video.
All right.
This is Hannah.
Hi.
Welcome to Camp Parsnip. Right, Andrew?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right, how are we attaching this thing to the post?
All right. So we're just going to screw it in with those wood screws that we got.
Oh,
Does that sound all right?
sounds fine to me. I'll go put that thing in the ground.
All right.
And here's my suggestion. No, that's stupid.
Okay, so we're going to put it over here.
Let's say right there.
Let that thing spin you around about 6 or 8 times. Make for a good video.
Huh?
Let that spin you around about 6 or 8 times. Make for a good video.
It almost did for the jam.
All right, this is for the Starlink. So I'm not concrete. Am I concreting this in? Did you bring concrete?
No, because you said you wanted to use that on the front, right?
Yeah, that's fine.
This one we...
Yeah, because I want to be able to move this if I have to with the Starlink. So we're just going to stick it in there, pound it in there, and call her quits.
Did you bring a pounder?
Nope.
Oh.
Let's see what we can do there. Just a second. All right, so here I am back at the Parsnip, back at Camp Parsnip in the Parsnip. I hope you loved that, the video of my granddaughter out in the stream. She was living her best life. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I enjoyed it. But I'm back here in the Parsnip and making myself some oatmeal. I told you I would show you that. So let me just kind of see here. I'm not sure if you can see me there. All right, so this is my kettle right here. It's an electric kettle, and you just push the button and it heats it up. It boils it. So what I did inside, I use a cup, and inside of here, I put a scoop of dark brown sugar. Not the light stuff, the dark brown sugar. And then I put in 1 bag of Aldi maple and brown sugar. And now I'm going to dump the water in. Oh, too much water. I like it. I put that extra brown sugar in there. I do like it a little bit runny because then it really softens up the oatmeal. And then you can't see it here. I'll bring this down here so you can see in. It's nice and dark because of the dark brown sugar. But I'll leave this for, oh, I don't know how long. Probably at least 3 minutes because it's way too hot for me. And I never leave anything plugged in. I always unplug it. Leave the top off, let it dry out. And then I'm going to watch a show, eat some oatmeal, and look forward to getting home to my big computer where I can edit the video and get it out to you. I hope you enjoy it. And as always, I would ask of you to leave a comment, like, subscribe to my channel, and help me out. I would really appreciate it if you would do that, and I'll catch you on the next video.